This is our little nature trail we have. Boys got the bike stuck. That's where we're going. Daddy do a good job. Well, it hasn't been raked for a while, but it's pretty nice. The dogs are coming. You just gotta watch your step. Where are you? Look, a little chair Daddy made for them to stop on the way. Yep. What is? Okay. Oh, I guess it is. It fell. Oh my gosh. Pretty cool. Wow. What are we going to do with this, guys? It must have been so windy that a tree fell and broke on our trail. Well, it's been lightning and thundering here, so no wonder. Our trail goes right up and around that way. It is a predicament. I don't know, I'll have to lift it up maybe. It's just tiny, but it's all stuck. So we'll try to do that, guys. You having fun on this Monday? Yeah, what are you doing? Riding your bike? Yeah, it's a nice day. Too nice. Happy to be home with them. There's the dogs. Hope everybody else has a good day too. Say bye.
Bye. Bye.